Hello friends, in this video I'm going to solve lead code problem which is a longest substring without repeating character. In this we have to find the maximum length of a longest substring without any character repeated. Okay, so there are many different ways to solve it, like brute force, then window or sliding problem. So in brute force, we will do something like we'll take all the possible substrings of the input and create a list of it. Then we will remove all the substrings having duplicate characters, and then we will find out the maximum length of any substring which is left after removing the duplicate characters. Okay, but in this video we are going to cover sliding window approach. In the sliding window approach, what we will do, like we will start with position 0, and we will move towards our last element, and we'll check the window always should have uh, the unique elements, and we will on each iteration we will calculate the length of the window. If window length is greater than the previous greater, then we'll change the greater value to the current length of the window. So it will be like for so our input would be A, B, C. So if for the first iteration A will be inserted, then B will be inserted, then C will be inserted. Now again A came, and our current max till now max is let's suppose max is 3, not suppose it's max of 3. So now again 3 A came. So instead of moving forward, we'll remove this variable first. Okay, now we'll calculate 3 is greater than 2, then max always be 3. Now if we will append A again to this, then we'll check the length of this and compare which is greater, we will put into the max. Now B, now the B comes, so we'll remove this from the list. Then in the we'll check 2 is greater than 3, no, then max remains same. Then in the next iteration we'll add the 3 B, and this will count this value, and this will happen again and again and again until we'll again last we will our starting and ending slide ending window reaches to the length full length of the string. Okay, so there is one more optimal way to reduce this window sliding approach. In that case, we will do the dictionary approach. Okay, so currently, what happened? We in the current situation we move one window at a time. If you see, then we found A. So in this, we are moving. Before adding A, we have to remove A. Then in next iteration, we have to add A. So we will going to reduce this by using optimal solution. So we are going to create a dictionary of the characters. So let's suppose our current max is 0, max length is 0, and our dictionary is empty. Okay, so now we'll check, we'll iterate through each of the element. Okay, and we'll check if A is in the dictionary. No, A is not in the dictionary, and we will put into dictionary and the index of it, index as a value. Then we will count the max using max L, मतलब max of L, मतलब previous max, and the current index which is 0, and we'll take a start position to slide the window which is a start, we will take as a 0. Then so current index 0 minus 0 plus 1 2. So our So our new max L will be, which is equals to 1. Okay. So now we'll check the now we will iterate to B again. So we'll check B is in the dictionary. No. Then we will add into the dictionary, and then we'll check max L. Current max L is 1, and current IDX. So current IDX. So current is 1, max is 1, and IDX is 1. The start is 0, and then we will add 1. So our current max length is 2. Okay. Now we will iterate again to the loop. So it will be C. So we are going to add C2. So our max is previous max is 2. Current index is 2. Our start position is 0. So and 1. So current max is 3. Okay. Now we'll take, now it will go again to the loop and it will check A. If we will check now, A is already in the dictionary. So before updating it, we have to update the start position, because so our start will be sum of like suppose so our new start will be max of start and sum of what means the current index of this, which is 0 plus 1. So current start is 0. Now our new start is 1. So and we'll replace the value in the dictionary. Now we'll check the max length of this with the same formula. Previous max length is 3. Current index is 3. The start is 1. So now max of 3 and 3 is 3. Now we will loop through this again. So it will be B here. So we will check B is there. So first we will move the B. We will move the left side of the window. So max of start, the previous start, which is 1, and the current index is index of B in the dictionary is 1. So that would be 2. So our now new start will be the left value of start is C, from C, A, and then we will update the value of B with the new index, which is 4. Now we'll calculate the max length in the same way, which is max of previous is 3, and our current index is 4, and our start is 2, and it will be max of 3 and 3 is 3, and we'll iterate this again and again. We'll reach the input. Now you are thinking it is same as the previous one. No. Now let's look an example of PWKE. Okay. So in the case of PWKE, if you see PWWKEW, our max is starting max is 0. Max is 0. Okay. It will be previous max, previous start, and let's take an dict of character, then plus 1. Okay. and it will be max L and IDX start. Okay. So in the case of PWA, our dictionary is empty. Now we will do this P. Let's do with the P. So our start will be max of 0, which will be max of 0, and dictionary character, because the dictionary character is not in this, so we are not going to follow this rule. Okay, so will not this will be not executed because P is not in the dictionary. So we'll insert P into the dictionary and 0 is the value. And we will calculate the max L. Previous max L is 0, which is max of is 0. And IDX, current IDX is 0. And minus current start position is 0 plus 1. Now the value of this is 1. Okay. So our now let comes to W. So for W, we'll check for this condition. We'll check the it is in dictionary. No, it is not in the dictionary. Then it will not execute. Then we will check. We'll put into the dictionary. So with the index. So W is 1. Now calculate. Max is the previous max is 1. Current index is 1. Start is 0 and plus 1. So now current max is 2. Okay. Now on the next loop we'll got W again. So in that case we will found that if W, so current W is in the index dictionary, so we'll check max of start is 0, the previous max, and dictionary of character means W is on 1, so we'll check 1 plus 1. So current directly it is 2. So we have to again it is, so we are sliding 2 windows, not the one. In the simple sliding window we have to move one at a time. Okay, but in this case we directly move as much as possible. So this will reduce the complexity iteration times. Okay. So let's start coding for this. So we are going to create a dictionary to hold the values. Now we'll create variable for answer and our start position as in 0, and then we'll for loop in s, and we'll take index and character from it, and then we will check character is present in dict. Then we are going to apply the formula of same we will discuss before. So we will take the max. So our start will be the max of the start, the previous start, and the character plus 1. Okay. Then we'll take the maximum length. We'll count the maximum length using max, the formula we already discussed before. Max length, max of max length, or current index minus current start left sliding window position, which is start, and then by adding 1 because we have added a character, and we'll update the value in the dictionary of the or add the value in the dictionary, and we'll return the max length. So let's start this, run this. So if you see it is run 2 or 3 times. We can do something like if if this kid is when I start, then start would be okay. So you can see now it is pretty much good. You can see maximum 97 point. So this way we can solve this problem. Okay. If you have any other suggestions, please put in the comment and feel free to ask anything. Thank you.